yes,
Now, is there no said papa no or papa when papa is senior.
Oh, okay.
You remember papa called 2006. Ghana Nature Republic World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah, to war help and any information by said baby you do no. Onyamia to the Safran. June 16, 2006. And yeah, pen of crab here on the 2nd September Banco. Okay. And my papa is senior and you over. Yes. To my Yako. In November, now, Jubilee House here, Unzo Mapinan Casano. For some time now, on share down 1 year, and usually so need Jubilee House away. In fact, do I say Bibi and Shalam? Oh, really? It's a president near one of mine, in fact. Wait, my room from security and the place is very quiet. Very quiet. And suggestions was to be quick across war. Now, when a Bermuno economy home sense near there. In fact, the facts Nepal there are not just a lot of name maybe not just any pebimunian free near there, and Kosubio. To say full allocation be pebimuniano, Booker, Muna up and down near there. Command my church, they said. Bimudia kwa bese ya jini na 100% just say so obeso tuka na is a one kasa wo sika kwa to fu at the Jubilee House. Our Jubilee House on. Wow. And bimu so bia allocation memo nya bia be week no. Sisi anom say registration mo dey to full allocation ho mo ko bia santa no pa be kwa no pa bia osu council na council salary dey be draw any ade no. I say now no ente say bim. Oh okay. Em say niema ense da entutomu. Okay. Enti in fact as one became say Marco Krokumante about be chem so no as deputy minister no. Se see na about 70% of full of the good came on one turn ade. Wow. Enti akoso Jubilee House up. Enti never be akofom. In fact even on my foreign travels no there's been a massive revision even in the per diem. Oh really? Amount for I mean, there's been a massive review about from. Enti, any master, say ABR one now they can tell you for sure say enti first and even for the foreign travels near the identical crimes even less no crime there is serious scrutiny. I'm say call the way to the old man's office on floor man. Be a less man whether you be ready me from and no quite be a year near the other. Enti mood no one of enti edie yeah. Now meetings they course with the be now because maybe information in my out there was a bunch. I give you away to all manner of rumors. Yeah. And everybody, a lot of people appears to have first-hand information. If you are on the culture corner, or a new baby. And there's a bit of uncertainty. And time can also issue. And for a lot of people, I be on my penny buy na you recruit to omo salary in every chief of staff office. And he said a channel say name as obey den on the at the spur of the moment that marble. Yeah. And if fear so and a lot air cost apart from say you cut it down a banner cut it down a number of expenditure items. There's fear and uncertainty say in the next 2 years no will I still have my job any other. Okay. And the way amount for life move omo ebia forest no each year away or savings any other. I can tell you for a fact even at the Jubilee House that is a feeling among a lot of people are or more honor, especially those who are a bit far away from power in terms of the proximity to the old man in there. A lot of space be no more enjoy any hobby. Travels be all manner of people jump on the 4-wheel drive now there's scrutiny about the list. Foreign trips are up amount for kakra free money I don't know apart from say atidi panel so no iska was a yedema amount for some kwakoye adwuma and so every day so even some of the trips no cry no so omampanya him was we emfazo bi ani so ne atwam ne ade. Oh okay. Enti obi sana cost omampanya so ye ho no. Is there a general feeling at the Jubilee House say maybe I was say omampanya ni Ghana for kasa
at a regular way.
I think sir no moment there even beyond Jubilee House because I know that is a conclusion about it. In fact, for example, now would be also very prominent in the government, which we say COVID time now.
Yes.
Every Sunday.
Yes.
No, I want to man for come. I'm COVID no COVID news. You know, and it is even more crucial now
to speak now. Yeah. Than COVID time.
Than COVID time. Yeah. Now because centered communication in money, you know, I'm for who baby or Mutibo. Fortunately, and information minister there to just say, be a Sunday on my penny Bekasa. I'm say, or you are China, Bank of Ghana, and name managers of banks,
sure,
or signing operators of Forest Bureau. Now, key, and they say, Scott, dollars more pen on say, by between their moment. Now, for Monsua, or you saw overpricing, a month for take advantage of the situation, and they say, Menu will be treating Kubo news from $1 or 17 cents. I said they could do 17 cities. There's a speculation. What they are also so
worried.
Yeah, but the story. Who figures on that young show?
Yeah, but I don't know why in Pachomin Trado. My name the Intia Boapayono. Obeshadadi, Huni, I'll be previa to Ghana for Binoso. And then, memo banks need be panic withdrawals and quarantine. Banks need be who could use back a crana. It's a problem. And then make us say 3 major companies. Omasha see ye or Monkofu. Oh, yeah. Ewa Ghana here. These are very important companies in this country. A sign. Some of these
exactly.
So I just a binamuso said you will see came. A bit take advantage. I did way a 4 cities. Obia now is just jumping the dollar. Not on the Kobe 20 or 40.
And Russia the cronin so now. BBN who are there had the index
at all.
It's not dollar. So I mean, how can you go oil gallon 400 Ghana? Over 2 days they say 1,000. And I'm like, measure.
Very sad. Say because they are making say I didn't bugu in so. And it is a person take advantage now. Old driver into a certain direction. Ebia or more feel so or see some questions now. Ebia on their own idea. They may be sorted. But me and you know. The impact of it, in fact, and when you do that, we are also because now it didn't money
it's crazy because the rate at which in the end let me monitor comment on Facebook and who's an amount for share more experiences and obit me ba say I deal with your turn 10 Ghana enne I dear thing our call and ma 20 Ghana na 50 Ghana 60 Ghana and you're like I mean, what has been there?
Too artificial.
It's too much.
It's very bad. In fact, minimobia na menene twetwe nkobo na ochirema oto obifie na fie no mze dipa to man $1. It's na oye conversion no na eba be see almost 900,000 into a bomb body na tua watua after all of a sudden I has to pay almost 500,000 cities more.
Can you imagine? Mortgage
in common
people are collapsing.
Mortgage in common
they are losing out.
Mortgage in common another
and they also can you yank watua in fact now why calculation say over time last year was $32 now watua 40,000 more. Now no with the dollar now on the Adnakwa could do no. He has to pay the panel 500,000 cities more.
Can you imagine?
Like asema
but who say mortgage the end the man and no conversation is a bit different from or more a ton day to day nyoma or more the discretion to fix prices. Who's a mortgage no koto dan a dine is indexed in dollars and awato in the no said depreciation bar a to what disadvantage nipa or dine amount or no benefit in the different conversation.